Hey now, say now. Lean up, got me thinking, babe. Tell me if you with it, cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm in it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Trip to crib in the middle of the...
Hi guys. I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry. Well, welcome to the vlog. My name is Cyn. If you're new, I'm a tarot reader. If you want to follow my tarot reading channel, also the link will be in the description box. I'm also a business owner as well, and I do vlogs on this channel. I know it's been a while and I haven't been on here, and I know you guys are probably upset with me, and I'm very ashamed. That's why I have my head down. So it's been a whirlwind. My life has been crazy. I'm getting married. So I have been really trying to buckle down and start planning. Today is February 1st, so I'm trying to really buckle down and plan this wedding, and it's a lot of people coming to the wedding, so it takes a lot of time out of me, and I have to be very meticulous and intricate when making these particular, decisions and details that go into getting married. I feel like I've been neglecting you guys. Like, please don't be upset with me, but y'all know I love y'all. But I'm heading to Pilates, so let's get our workout in first, and then we'll have a little chit chat. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm back from Pilates. It was a very intense class, as you guys see. So I really wanted to have a little bit of a chit chat with you guys while I'm on my way home. Getting married and planning for a wedding can be very, very stressful. I'm doing the most that I possibly can to stay in a very relaxed and a very uplifting space. There is a lot of criticism that goes into getting married, especially when it comes to the opposite sides of the family. I'm always in the back of my mind, always saying to myself, this is my wedding, it's not for anyone else. And there's a lot of input and opinions and advice from other people, and I'm the type of person where I don't want to take any advice from someone who isn't happily married. If you're not happily married, I do not want any of your advice. But my bridal proposal is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm super excited. And I'm just overall, I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm in the wrong business because they're so expensive. But yeah, I'm going to head home. I'm going to make something to eat, and I'll see you guys soon.
Like you need remind, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blind. Should've never give you my heart on consignment. And I can't believe the lies that I went through. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him. You took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, though. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us.
Hey guys, I am heading to a med spa. I'm getting a lymphatic massage. I've never had one before, but this is my first time having one, and I'm a little anxious, but this is going to help with the water retention that has been going on in my body, as well as get any bodily fluids or just water weight off of my body, because I have been doing a lot of Pilates. I've been going to the gym a lot. I've been trying to work on my nutrition, and I feel like I'm holding on to so much excess water weight. I'm gonna do this session to see how I like it. This is my first time trying again. I don't even know what to experience. I told myself that I was gonna take you guys with me so we can kind of do this process together, so we can kind of figure out what this is. I know a lot of people do lymphatic massages after surgery or getting procedures done to their body. I haven't done any procedure to my body, but I just want to kind of get all of that retention. So let's do this together. Now I ain't host. Kush all in my lap because he hoes don't wanna roll it out. Sliding in the lamb with the power die. Slime green paint, peanut butter inside. She wanna fuck, speak up. Coming out of clothes.
Hey, shout it bad, she can get it. She can swallow, she can spit it. Bring a friend if she with it. On the pole, y'all can split it. In the pit, on the land. Let your bitch suck your dick on the ground. D12 help me get up out the jam. Trunk full of slam. R.I.P. Little Peep, I gotta slow down on them sands. Just set up my Dodge, backseat of my Benz. Put that shit on camera. She squirted on the lens. Then she told me put it on a chin.
Left the appointment. It was so good. It hurt so bad though. I wasn't expecting it to hurt so badly, mainly because she was like pressuring on my, like so much pressure on my stomach. And you guys know that I had my fiber removal, so it kind of hurt when she was like pressing and applying so much pressure on my abdomen. But 10 out of 10, I'm going back.
Watch how the women start sniffing around when we be ripping it down. We got them sticking around. The way they love the kid like I'm the king of the town. And when my money stacks stupid, got them flipping around and got them digging the sound.
I know you look finger licking, hey baby girl. I don't use my dough for tricking no chicken. Listen, cook food, shorty fat, and my tummy. You could go when I have my slacks. Don't touch my money. Even though you looking good and it was nice to meet you, you be lucky if you even get a slice of pizza from me. Before you ever try to touch my money clip, I put you on the corner walking up and down the money strip. Now look at here, honey dip, better find another dummy quick. Homie tryna.
It's Valentine's Day. I just put some ribbons on my hair because I do want to give that 90s bob tonight for Valentine's Day. I don't know where my fiance is taking me, but he is taking me to dinner and I can't wait because he surprised me with flowers today, which is like the sweetest thing ever. But I don't know where we're going tonight. I just literally put these rollers in my hair. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup. Once I have my makeup done and everything like that, I will come back so you guys can be able to see my outfit. I've worn this outfit already. Maybe I won't show you my outfit. So you guys have already seen it. It's just a dress that I picked up like from on the go somewhere. And I'm probably gonna wear my Louboutin heels, my mules, and it's gonna be real simple. Let's go. It's Valentine's Day, y'all. And to all the lovers out there, whether you are together with someone or whether or not you're single, just know that you are loved. Self-love is the best love, okay? The purest love is self-love. Those who don't have a Valentine this year, just know that you are loved and I love you. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. So let's just get ready. It's Sunday. We're going to brunch today. I want to show you guys my outfit really quickly. It's not, I mean, I think I'm given. I will link it down below so that you guys can also order this dress if it's still in stock. But we're heading to brunch. This place called Cashapp. I've been wanting to try it for a very long time, so let's go to brunch. Y'all see my outfit? Isn't it cute? It's giving real like Sunday brunch vibes, okay? But let's head over to brunch.
But you said the same damn thing. My niggas paying top dollar to holler. Talking about that pretty brown frame. And I don't mean the Impala that you just hopped out of. What about your business? You must be religious. This guy done took her time. And you're tired of hearing those same old lines. Getting out for something new. I know we can't look the same to you. Getting out for something new. To me, I won't get on with you. Getting out for something new. I ain't gonna pretend to look the same to you. Getting out for something new. Truth is, I came to know ya. Don't give a damn about the things I told ya. They don't have a clue, but they don't need you like I do. You don't need